I was trying to find the scissors, and I can't find the scissors. What's going on, YouTube? One more time. This is your boy One Way De Leon. I was looking for the scissors, but this all I got, the knife. Today we're gonna be like kind of like everywhere, all over. I'm gonna show you a little bit of clip of the apartment. And then thank God today when I came in, this was on. Let me turn this around. Hold on. Hopefully we're gonna do an unboxing section. I always wanted to do one because they kind of like interesting to me. And here's the box. If you have not seen it, go see it or cop it, whatever, and keep it and hold it hostage and learn from it. But anyways, here it is. Finally, we're gonna unbox something here, and we're gonna see what it is. I know it's like it could be three things that I can remember, that I can think of, but I don't know because the weight is not telling me nothing at all whatsoever. But I think I know what it is. I'm not sure. We'll see.
This the last move or not?
This is the last stop. It should be. Should be the last stop. Y'all doing y'all thing. That was fast.
Yes, sir. 5-star, man. 5-star. 5-star. Come on, Pony. Come on.
Like sound set.
That's the company name right there. Holla at them. You see that phone number? Ah, no phone numbers.
Is this Carlo?
Bedroom, storage, bathroom, M.L.B. Guest room, living room, dining room. Oh, that's one of my videos. Go check it out on One Way De Leon YouTube. Check me out. That was in Old Town. Beautiful part. But you cannot go wrong with the New York City, please don't. And all right, here we go. One moment. The moment of truth. We're gonna see. They're gonna be like, he always drinking water. Yeah. You gotta always drink water because that's how you flush your system. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, it's beautiful outside, man. I just love it outside right now. But we're gonna get to this box. Who can guess what it is? Comment down below. In the comment section, think about it. Whoever hit it on the nail, what can I do? I think about what I'm gonna do, all right? Whoever hits it on the nail, we'll see. What else? You ready? I can't even guess because it could be either or the three things that I ordered, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna see. Let's go. This is the thing. They take these things like they don't want you to open them. for whatever reason. I always want to do an unboxing because it's funny. Yeah, like I be in front of the TV like, yo, what is that? What is that? You know what I'm saying? So I'm glad. And let me see. It fits because the purpose. Let me see. I see two colors, dark blue and white, and I'm wearing them, dark blue and white. So it could be only one thing. Uh-oh, I see red. What do you think it is? From right there, what do you think it is? It is. And it got here before I expected. I love this company. I love it because wow. You know I'm a Yankee fan, right? You see it all over. You see it. But I know for a fact, I got a feeling we're going to the World Series. Can you guess? Oh, yeah, boy, what? You stupid. What? Like I said, man, these came way too early. But I take it, though. This is fire. Say this ain't fire. And say word after. Ooh, 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 ooh. Damn. Wow. I'ma check it out, man. I love these unboxing things, bro. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna try and take some pictures with this. Oh, I might match today. Hold on 1 second. I might match. I might got the drip for it. Hold on 1 second, man. Hold up, man. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Yo, this is insane, man. Nigga, this box, this unboxing that we guys did together. It's nasty. Yeah. It's nasty. Thank you. This is back over. Bam. Ooh. I'll be back. I'm gonna see if I can take some pictures with it and just put them all in the vlog. This is it for today. I don't know. Comment down below what you think. What you think about it. What you think about it? That's the team to beat, y'all. I don't care what nobody say, man. You ain't got 27 world champions. I don't care what you gotta say, bro. But like I said, this is One Way De Leon. I'm out. Peace. Yeah.